Before we begin, I have a small favor. If you find this guide helpful, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and give it a like. Your support helps us reach more people who want to make their journey smoother. Every like and share brings us closer together as a helpful community. You never know who might need this advice. Subscribing means you will not miss out on more useful guides in the future. Sharing helps others plan their trip to Makkah better. Liking shows us you care and motivates us to make more helpful content for you. So take a second now, subscribe, like, and share. Getting to the Mataaf quickly can be stressful for new visitors, but with the right steps you can make it in just 10 minutes. Let's make your journey as smooth as possible. Are you ready? Let's begin our journey to the Mataaf together, step by step. The Mataaf is the open white marble area around the Kaaba. This is where pilgrims perform tawaf, walking around the Kaaba 7 times. For millions, the Mataaf is the center of their spiritual journey in Makkah. Getting to the Mataaf quickly lets you start your worship without long delays. It also helps you avoid the stress of crowded paths, lost time. Many visitors spend hours just finding the right way in. With this guide, you can skip the confusion. Understanding the importance of the Mataaf helps you focus on your intention. Every step you take toward this space brings you closer to a meaningful experience. That is why reaching the Mataaf quickly matters, not just for time, for peace of mind. Now let's plan your route so you reach the Mataaf in just 10 minutes. First, plan your route before you start. Know where you are coming from. Hotel, bus, stop, the haram's parking. Planning saves precious minutes and keeps you from getting lost. Check maps, ask your hotel staff about the closest gate to the Mataaf. Timing is crucial. Try to arrive early in the morning, late at night. These times have fewer people. Avoid prayer times, especially Friday midday. Carry only essentials, leave extra bags at your hotel. Wear comfortable shoes. Avoid sandals that slip, avoid shoes that hurt. Carry a small water bottle, not too much. Move light and fast. A few minutes of planning can save you a lot of time inside the haram. The haram has many gates, but not all are close to the Mataaf. To save time, pick a gate that leads straight to the center. The King Abdulaziz gate is the most popular. It opens almost directly to the Mataaf. It also has clear signs in English and Arabic. If the King Abdulaziz gate is crowded, try the King Fahd gate. This gate is also close to the Mataaf. Both gates have wide entrances and visible ramps for wheelchairs or strollers. Avoid smaller gates. They usually lead to upper floors or longer hallways. Look for signs above the gates. They are large and easy to read. Most main gates have security checks. Be ready to show your bag if asked. Keep your ID or hotel card in your pocket for easy access. Entering through the right gate is the first big step to reaching the Mataaf quickly. Once inside the gate, you will see these large open courtyards. Walk straight towards the center. Do not follow the crowd if they are moving slowly. Stay on the edges of the courtyard where there is more space. The marble floor can be slippery, so, walk carefully, but keep a steady pace. Avoid stopping for selfies or long chats, save those for later. If you are with a group, hold hands or agree on a meeting point in case you get separated. Watch for security staff. They will guide you if you look lost. If you are unsure, do not hesitate to ask for directions. Most staff speak simple English and are happy to help. Keep your goal in mind, the Mataaf is just ahead. Inside the haram, signs are everywhere. Look up to find arrows pointing towards the Mataaf, the Kaaba. The signs are in both Arabic and English. Follow the ones that say to Mataaf or show a picture of the Kaaba. Try to ignore signs for prayer halls, libraries, upper floors, unless you have extra time. Your focus is on reaching the Mataaf quickly. Some signs might show numbers for gates, so remember your gate number for your return. If you see a crowd stopped in front of a sign, just move around them. Many people gather to read, but you can keep going if you already know your way. Trust the arrows. They are designed to guide large groups smoothly. By following the signs closely, you will avoid wrong turns. The Mataaf can get crowded, especially during prayer times and Hajj season. For a quick path, walk along the sides, not the center of the crowd. The edges are usually less packed. Move with confidence. Walk at a steady pace. Do not rush. Do not push others. If you see a bottleneck, just step back and wait a few seconds for it to clear. People often move in waves, so patience can save time. Listen for announcements. Sometimes security will open new paths if the main ones are full. Follow their directions. They know where the quickest routes are at any moment. With these tips, you can find a faster, safer way to the Mataaf, even in busy times. Walking quickly in large crowds can get tiring. Wear light, breathable clothing. Avoid heavy backpacks. Drink some water before entering, but do not overfill your bottle. If you feel tired, find a quiet corner to rest before you reach the Mataaf. Do not sit in the middle of walkways, stretch your legs. Check your belongings before moving on. Keep your phone charged in case you get lost or need help. Turn down your screen brightness. Use it only when needed. If you lose your group, stay calm. Go to a nearby security post. Comfort lets you move faster and enjoy your time in the Mataaf. You are almost there. Congratulations, you made it to the Mataaf in just 10 minutes. Remember these final tips. Plan ahead, choose the best gate, follow the signs, move with the flow, stay comfortable. Every small step helps you save time and energy. If you ever get lost, do not panic. Always ask for help from security, or friendly pilgrims nearby. Keep your ID and hotel details handy, and when you leave, remember the route you took so you can find your way back easily. Your journey to the Mataaf is special. Make it safe, quick, comfortable, so you can focus on your worship. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever reached the Mataaf quickly? What tips or stories can you share with others?